Welcome back to the Tinkerage Reorganisation vlog. Midweek update. Not a huge amount going on. Still racking my brains a little bit. Things I have done though. The bracket that was over in the other corner, I've moved over here for clamps. I actually quite like that there. I think that might work for these particular clamps. But I might change the bracket for something that's not going to let them slide off too easily. Other minor little things, I've put a little shelf up here for my micrometers, calipers, remote control, and a couple of other bits and bobs. I've taken these drawers down and I'm going to reconfigure them and mount them underneath here. Managed to get 3 more of these tubs from Home Bargain, so passing again this week, and they had restocked, so I got 3 more. Other ones are up there at the moment, so I might put those alongside, but they also will double up, or triple up even, if I put them on the shelves here. But I have decided the sorting cases I have here will get put into a slide-in rack similar to these WAM cases, and I'm not sure whether it might be here, but I might move it down a little bit, but that would block that corner. Again, the far corners tend to be ones that are difficult to get at, even if everything's clear. So I tend to use them for things that I don't want to get rid of, but don't need to access on a regular basis. The only other thing that I have done really is I've brought an old PC out here, and I've brought an old monitor. I have been trying to get the base off this monitor. The stand part has come off, but this is built into the case quite firmly. I've tried taking a couple of screws off. I don't want to start jabbing away at the clips holding the case on. I do have this Visa mount. I wonder if that monitor had been designed so that the Visa mount on the back was actually for mounting maybe a small microcomputer. But it does seem strong enough for this mount. I will need to use a block. I'll need to use some lug screws to hold that in place, and that is going to go in this space here, which is why I had to move the grey drawers from there, because they were just being obscured by it. I have a home networking kit, one of the ones that uses the mains wiring. We'll install that, and hopefully that will give me decent internet out here. My wireless doesn't reach. The walls are thick engineering bricks, but more difficulty, my wireless router is that way, and next door is my utility room, which is insulated with foil covered bubble wrap. So I think that's it for the midweek. And next stage, mount drawers, mount the monitor, and cables for the monitor. Next big thing still not decided. So I shall hopefully post again on the weekend when a little bit more progress has been made. Have a good rest of the week if you're watching this fairly near to when it's released. Have a good rest of the week wherever you watch it. Bye for now.